Food basics. Welcome to FluentEase English. This is the channel where you learn English fast and speak with ease. Today, our lesson is about food basics. Simple, everyday phrases you can use to talk about what you eat and like. Remember, when you listen and repeat many times, English becomes natural. Repetition builds your reflex. The more you repeat, the faster you speak. So stay with me, practice step by step, and enjoy the lesson. Let's get started. Mini story, Anna's healthy lunch. It's lunchtime. Anna is in her kitchen thinking about what to eat. She says, "I eat rice every day, but today I want something different." She opens the fridge and takes out a piece of cheese and a boiled egg. She smiles. That's a good start. Then she makes a fresh salad with lettuce, tomato, and cucumber. She says, "I like vegetables. They make me feel great." Next, she heats a hot soup on the stove. She tastes it and says, Perfect." Her friend Tom calls and asks, "What are you eating?" Anna laughs, "A healthy lunch. I like fish and salad, but I don't eat meat." Tom says, "Wow, that sounds delicious." Anna replies, "Yes, it's simple but tasty." She adds a baked potato and a tomato salad to her plate. The food looks colorful and fresh. She sits down and says, "Good food, good mood." After lunch, she feels full and happy. Anna smiles. Healthy eating isn't hard, it just needs a little care. Now it's time for the Q&A mini story. Anna's healthy lunch. Listen carefully, answer quickly, and don't worry about mistakes. This step will make your English automatic. Let's begin. It's lunchtime. Who is in the kitchen? Anna. What time is it? Lunchtime. What is Anna thinking about? What to eat. She says, "I eat rice every day." What does she eat every day? Rice. Does she want rice today? No, something different. Where is she? In her kitchen. She takes out a piece of cheese and a boiled egg. What does she take out? A piece of cheese and a boiled egg. Where does she get them from? The fridge. How does she feel? Happy. She makes a fresh salad. What kind of salad? A fresh salad. What's inside the salad? Lettuce, tomato, and cucumber. Does Anna like vegetables? Yes, she does. She heats a hot soup. What does she heat? A hot soup. Where does she heat it? On the stove. Does she like it? Yes, it's perfect. Tom calls and asks, "What are you eating?" Who calls Anna? Tom. What does she say? "I like fish and salad, but I don't eat meat." Does Anna eat meat? No. What does Anna add to her plate? A baked potato and a tomato salad. How does the food look? Colorful and fresh. How does she feel after lunch? Full and happy. What does she say at the end? Good food, good mood, excellent work. You have just completed the lesson about food basics. Today, you practiced phrases like, "I eat rice," "I like bread," "I don't eat meat," a boiled egg, a fresh salad, a hot soup, and a baked potato. Remember, repetition is the key. The more you repeat, the faster English becomes automatic. If you enjoyed this lesson, practice again tomorrow, subscribe to FluentEase English, and keep building your fluency step by step. See you in the next lesson.